We have a multinational campus with over 22 nationalities on campus this year, living, working, playing, and singing and acting all together in English. We have a range of different types of accommodation, including some new facilities and also some more traditional style houses. We have a range of different sizes of rooms, from single rooms up to 5 sharing in a small dormitory. Sports Academy offers professional coaching to children from all ranges of ability and ages. We also run a multi-activity and English programme. This programme allows you to learn English in the morning and in the afternoon take part in a range of activities, drama, art, sports, but the best thing of all, you won't just learn English in class, you'll be living in English.
Okay, A's, you must identify or guess B's jobs.
Do you wear a uniform?
Yes.
What was your job, Igor?
A lawyer.
A lawyer? Oh, very professional.
A policeman. Politician.
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 You need to put some paper down, let it soak for a little bit.
You just dry it out and cut it out and paint on black colors and pop on the stick. The drug
Hello, my name is Mike. I'm in charge of the afternoon activities here. They get involved in all sorts, whether it be basketball, tennis, football, arts and crafts, drama games, swimming.
Rack it up, ready to move.
We're very lucky to have some top coaches with us this year, so we're looking essentially for elite sportsmen, people who really want to improve their skills and techniques.
My name's Simon Bentley. I'm head coach of the tennis academy here at Shrewsbury School. We run a 3-hour programme in the mornings, and it's a combination of fitness and coordination activities, some rally skills and some technical and tactical coaching, which then prepares the players for our matches in the tournament at the end of the week.
3, 2, 1, hey!
My name's Tom Bates. I'm the football coach here at Shrewsbury. As well as it being a very professional environment and experience for all of the players that come across, there is a very relaxed nature as well. So it's very common to have players from beginner all the way up to elite, and we cater through the coaches that we provide for those abilities, so everyone progresses at their level.
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm from Mallorca in Spain. This is my second summer with this summer, and I've been playing golf these last 3 weeks, and I've enjoyed it a lot.
We cater for all standards of golf. We start with the very young players up to the youths, and we have a very good, strong club team. We have a great practice ground where you can hit lots of long shots. We have a great putting green where you can practice all types of putts on slopes. For the very experienced players, we can spend more time with them on the golf course. We have some very good assistant pros, and they can help with the psychology and the thought process of getting around the golf course.